What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today's gonna be freaking dope day for my cousin. Today he's gonna be getting his ISR exhaust fully installed from cat all the way to cat back. So he's going to ISR resonated test pipes and ISR white pipe and ISR single. I know he's gonna be super stoked with the outcome. Right now we're gonna record the cold start so you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like right now. So right now we're gonna go to RTA. I'm gonna leave their Instagram right here at the bottom of the screen. They help me and him both out tremendously out with their cars, so make sure you give them a follow on Instagram. And if you need any performance upgrades installed or anything worked on, hit them up. So we're at RTA. This dude, freaking plump. It's about to get lit. This guy's about to be loud as fuck. Wake up all the neighbors and get all the noise complaints.
Who the neighbors? Kobe Bryant from the...
Just sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbors? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper.
He's getting ready for the drift event this weekend going down. Probably already passed by the time I upload this vlog. Those of you who don't know, it's an LS swap 240. So this is stock exhaust. This thing is ass. Old. New. That's the new white pipe. The old white pipe. Do it again, you gotta do it one more time. You gotta do it one more time. Oh, fuck. That is it for this vlog. It's probably going to be extremely short, but I got a long vlog coming this weekend. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Peace.